How to create a CV in Canva. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To create a CV in the Canva, you can open up your Canva application in your device. So right here, if you want to create a Canva CV, first and foremost, know how you want your CV to be perceived and what element and what you are supposed to write in it so that it stands out from the rest of the resume. So as you can see, Canva does offer you dozens of resume that you can select from. Now what you can do is in the search bar, you can just search for resume templates. Then Canva will pop up thousands of templates that you can use for. Be careful while you are choosing the template. If you see such crown icon, that means that only the Canva Premium can have access to such templates. If not, you can just go ahead and select on any of the template that you desire. Now this is just an overview and you actually have to go ahead and edit with your own detail. You can switch your photograph information and you can also edit some of the specific element if you want it right here. For an example, some memorable trainings or workshop that you have done, then you can also enter it right over here. Now one of the tip is often corporate jobs will require you to present a one-page CV. That can be quite challenging. Using the Canva template will help you to minimize the stress and make your resume look more put together and organized. So hopefully you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.